Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be fine at your home. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, एक छोटे से वायरस ने हमारी पूरी ज़िंदगी को बदल के रख दिया। आज हमारा देश ही नहीं, पूरा विश्व एक भयंकर महामारी से जूझ रहा है और उसके लिए हम सभी प्रयासरत हैं। सभी लोग संघर्ष कर रहे हैं, उसके खिलाफ एक लड़ाई लड़ी जा रही है। सारे वैज्ञानिक, पूरे विश्व के वैज्ञानिक एक सोल्यूशन निकालने के लगे हुए हैं कि हम इस कैसे महामारी से छुटकारा पाएं। तो कोई बात नहीं, आज हमारी जो पढ़ाई है वो भी उसमें बदलाव आ गया है। पढ़ाई करने का तरीका था स्कूल में आकर के हम लोग पहले पढ़ते थे, आज हम मजबूर हैं अपने घरों से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे। तो समय की नज़ाकत को देखते हुए अब हमें केवल एक ही ऑप्शन चुनना है और वो है ऑनलाइन स्टडीज़। ये कब तक चलती रहेगी इसके बारे में हम अभी कुछ कह नहीं सकते। तो जो हमारे पास ऑप्शन है हम उसी के सहारे अपनी स्टडी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। और आप सभी लोगों के लिए जितने भी स्कूल्स हैं सभी लोग इसी पैटर्न पे काम कर रहे हैं, सभी लोग ऑनलाइन वीडियोस बना रहे हैं। तो आप सभी को एक सलाह दी जा रही है कि ऑनलाइन स्टडीज़ को बहुत सीरियसली लें, क्योंकि इसके अलावा दूसरा कोई ऑप्शन हमारे पास नहीं है। तो जितने भी वीडियोस आपके लिए बनाए जा रहे हैं, सारे वीडियोस सिस्टमेटिकली बन रहे हैं, जैसा कि कोर्स हमारे उसमें है उस तरीके से एक सिस्टम से टॉपिक वाइज वीडियोस बनाए जा रहे हैं, ताकि अपना कोर्स आप अपने कॉपीज़ में अच्छी तरीके से कर पाएँ। तो कोई भी वीडियोस आप स्किप मत करें, पूरा देखें उसे, समझें उसे। जहाँ पर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आए, आपके टीचर्स हैं, आप उनसे कंसल्ट करें, फ़ोन कर सकते हैं, गूगल मीट भी चल रहा है, आप उसके माध्यम से अपने डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हैं। लेकिन अपनी पढ़ाई को बीच में ना रोकें, किसी भी कीमत पर नहीं, ठीक है ना। तो चलिए, आज हमारे पास एक टॉपिक है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अ लेसन दैट इज द साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक। दिस topic is dedicated to class 9th and this topic has been taken from the book Beehive. This lesson, The Sound of Music, has been written by Deborah Cowley. This lesson is about a handicapped girl, that is Evelyn Glennie. Here she shares her life story in an interview. She was a deaf girl. Not from the very beginning of her life, but after some years she became deaf. This girl was very fond of music from the very beginning of her life. And one thing is here, if you love anything from your heart, honestly, definitely you will achieve that one day. Just you have to ready for that. Nothing can stop you. This is the law of nature. So, when she was 8 years old, her mother noticed that she could not listen. When in the school, the teachers called her to play piano. She did not move from her place. At the very time her mother came to know that she had any problem of hearing. But her mother did not take it very seriously, and from that day the girl suffered much. She tried to conceal her deafness from her friends, from teachers, and from other people. But truth cannot be concealed. It will reveal one day, definitely, because this is the nature of truth. So, when she became 11 years old, she attended the exam, yearly exam, and when the result was out, she got very less marks. At that time, her mother was sure that she was totally deaf, and actually, she had been totally deaf at up to 11 years. The principal of the school advised her mother to take Evelyn to a specialist for the improvement and to get admission in the school of deaf students, deaf and dumb students. So her mother took the girl to the specialist, and some treatments were done, but it was of no use. One day, Evelyn saw a girl playing xylophone at school. Seeing the girl playing xylophone, Evelyn also wanted to play the xylophone. She was longing to play. She was longing to play the xylophone, but she could not, because she could not hear the beats of xylophone. So how it was possible? One day, at the another day, a man was there, that was Ron Forbes. He was a drummer. He noticed that girl. When he observed the girl very closely, he found that the girl had a special talent. He recognized, he identified her talent, and he advised her not to listen the music. He advised her to feel the music from other parts of body, because her ears were not working. They were of no use. So, on the advice of Ron Forbes, who was a drummer, the girl Evelyn tried to feel music from her other parts of body. She felt the high notes from the upper limbs, upper parts of body, and the low notes from the lower parts of body. This way, she tried her best to feel music from her body. And she continued. She continued her efforts, and day by day, she got improvements. She started learning music. She was devoted to her work. She was concentrated because she loved music from the very beginning of her life. Whenever she was standing on a wooden platform. She always used to put off her shoes so that she might feel the beats from her foot. And when she became 16 years old, she gave an audition in the Royal Academy of Music, where she was learning music. For the first time, she won. She got the highest marks in the history of Royal Academy of Music. Being a deaf girl, she got the highest marks for the first time. She was encouraged. She was on high spirits, and from that day she never took back. She always moved on her career. She wanted to go on the highest level of her performance. That is why she continued putting her efforts more and more. She started going on the world tour and performing solo concerts. And she was liked by the people just for her performance, just for her skill. She started doing free shows in the hospitals for the patients, and in the prisons also, in the jails also, for the prisoners who were suffering in the prisons. She wanted to feel them good. She wanted to feel them comfortable in hospitals and in prisons. She also helped the handicapped students like her, the deaf students like her, to learn music, whatever she could do. And this way, once upon a time, she won the award that was the Soloist of the Year in 1991. It was a great pride for her, because being a deaf girl, she got this remarkable award that was the Soloist of the Year in 1991, and she became famous all over the world. When she got success, she was delivering speech from the platform, from the stage, in front of the public. And when she was asked how she was inspired, how she was encouraged, she told them that the credit of her success goes to her own efforts, hard work and determination. This way she gave a very important message to all the handicapped persons of this world, that if you have a burning desire in your life, you can achieve that. You can achieve your goal. Nothing can stop you. This is the law of nature. The whole nature will support you to get your goal. Nobody is there in this world who can stop you. So we all readers should also be inspired with the life of this deaf girl, Evelyn Glennie. Being a deaf girl, she became a very good musician. The best, I would say, the best musician in her life. So we also should we are not handicapped, we can follow the example of this girl. If she can do the best things in her life just because of determination, hard work, so why we can't? We can also do the best things in our life. This way the lesson ends here. This is the story of this lesson, and I would advise you to read the lesson out from your textbook to understand in a descriptive manner. Thank you so much.